child playpen can successfully allow you to mother and pop to guard youngsters and children can discover freely within the space. There are numerous items accessible to Kids Playpens, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best kids' playpens from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. TODALE Baby Playpen. Seen gentle breathable mesh within the aspect panels. See-through mesh that permits to you sees the infant, and the infant sees you, make them really feel consolation and secure. The exterior gate zipper design. Permit to work together along with your child at any time. Give your child a way of safety. With the assistance of TODALE Massive Child Playpen, turns it into a fantastic secure playgrounds for infants. Assist youngsters discover the world of notion, play and study to maneuver in their very own, and preserve it away from being misplaced or exposing to hazard areas as properly. In the meantime, the mother and father can free their palms to do their very own issues. TODALE's Playpen for toddlers. The scale is 50 x 50 27 inches. The peak of the infant fence is lengthy sufficient for toddlers 6 months to 6 years previous to face and stroll. The realm is massive sufficient. Each you and your infant will get pleasure from immense consolation every time you use your indoor, out-of-doors play space. The infant fences pipe are product of rust-proof alloy pipes and ABS joints connection, simple to disassemble and assemble. With a bag offered, simple to retailer and carry. The underside is product of wear-resistant, tear-resistant, non-slip, breathable, quick-drying material. Solely have to wipe with moist material and cleaning soap to wash. Please notice, there is no such thing as a padding on the backside. You must buy an extra child play mat. Number 2. Baby Playpen, Extra Large Playard. Scene mesh and safely play view enclosure. The breathable grid permits child work together with mom. Exterior of the playpen from a number of sides at any time. Seeing you sitting on the sofa, they'll continues taking part in, giving your child a way of safety. And exterior double zippers forestall the infant by accident climbing out of the pen or falling down and being injured. Unique fast launch design. Straightforward to disassemble and assemble. This upgraded fast launch design makes the connectors are simply to placed on, but in addition with sufficient pressure when all items are put collectively to maintain it tight and durable. Waterproof and straightforward to clear. The underside of the playpen is product of upgraded waterproof 210D Oxford material. Waterproof and stain-proof guarantee. Milk stains and urine stains cannot infiltrate, and stains will be wiped and cleaned simply. It would scale back bacterial development successfully. Secure pet-free area. With the rising child could possibly be extra cell. This playpen can be a fantastic pet-free secure place for any child and pet household. On this approach, your child can crawl and stand without pet hair or getting knocked over. Plus, you may preserve all child's toys in a single space away from the pets. Number 3. YOBEST Baby Playpen. Little ones want mom's care on a regular basis. Nevertheless, when you could have varied issues, you may at all times take note of your child. Thankfully, YOBEST's transportable playpen turns any place right into a secure area to play. Preserve your child away from hurt, and moms can free their palms to do their very own issues. Word, the product doesn't include ocean balls. YOBEST further massive playpen present ample area. The exterior measurement is 75 by 57 by 27 inch divided by 190 by 146 by 69 inch. Inner measurement is 71 by 55 by 27 inch divided by 181 by 140 by 69 inch. Almost 3 infants and 3 adults can crawls, stand, play, nap, and share happiness collectively. The design of the wall permits youngsters to play in a secure very, and also you do not need to observe your baby like a hawk. You possibly can lay down, watch television, discuss on the cell phone, and many others. Do no matter you want. YOBEST's massive playpen is licensed and have CPC authentication, which you need to use it with no worries. Our toddler playpen use premium alloy metal pipe and plastic joint connection, simple to disassemble and assemble. However, there's sufficient pressure when all items are put collectively to maintain it tight and durable. Coated with our 24H customer support. You may contact with us at any time and revel in one 12 months guarantee. Number 4. Baby Playpen. ANGELBLISS Playpen. Star patterns can develop infants' cognitive abilities and fulfill their need for exploration, thus serving to them to perceive the world. Within the kids' development course of this child gate playpen is an indispensable device that can be a secure and attention-grabbing companion for kids for a few years. Angel Bliss Child Playpen makes use of 300D Oxford material and thickened alloy metal pipe has handed rigorous testing ASTM F406 to make sure youngsters' security. With 4 TPR suction cup base strength and stability. Even when 150 kilos of grown-up lean on, it won't flip over. ANGELBLISS unique patented snap design. Simple setup and takedown inside seconds. Newly upgraded ABS connectors enhance the shortcomings of comparable connector which might be fragile. The scale of further massive play yard for toddlers is 71 x 59.27 inches, in order that each dad and mommy play with child inside. The 27-inch scientific top and ethereal mesh sides present nice views for you and your child. Your infant will love his new crawling space. The product doesn't include ocean balls. Number 5. Baby Playpen Kids Activity. It's lightweight, simple to place collectively and take down, without 15 minutes. Including or eradicating further panels can be very simple. It's a large play area for children to study, stroll and even play with children in it for playtime. Complete dimensions are 59 by 59 by 23, 6 inches. Hold the child secure in their play exercise center when mother, dad must cook dinner, clear up, go to the lavatory, and many others. Vivid and colorful design make the fence look extra beautiful with a view to entice youngsters and energize their temper robotically. Specifically designed anti-slip rubber FT beneath of the yard so the elements do not go sliding round. And we added the anti-stick arm design within the image to make the infant playpen extra steady. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.